Good afternoon, sir. Mabuhay. Ako nga po pala si Adrian Neil G. Toriblos. This is my presentation, sir. Give 10 nouns in Spanish, 5 nouns in masculine, and 5 nouns in feminine. Include the article of the noun. For example, el libro. Include the translation of the nouns. Chosen Spanish nouns with their articles. The masculine, el amarillo, the closet, el pez, the fish, el leon, the lion, el leopardo, the leopard, el vaso, the glass. Sa feminine naman po, sir, la abuela, the grandmother, la mesa, the table, la serpiente, the snake, la silla, la silla, the chair, la television, the television. So, number 2, sir. Masculine, el amarillo, the closet. Adjective, traditional. And degree, singular, plural. And yung word el amarillo, singular sa el amarillo, sir, and sa plural naman po los amarillo. So sa singular po, sir, sa Spanish translation, el amarillo traditional está quedando obsoleto en los hoteles modernos. English translation, sir, the traditional closet is becoming obsolete in modern hotels. Sa plural naman po, sir, los amarillo. Sa Spanish translation, los huéspedes de mayor edad prefieren utilizar amarillos tradicionales para guardar la ropa y los zapatos. Sa English translation po, sir, the old guests preferred using traditional closets for clothing and shoe storage. Sa feminine naman po, sir, example niya po is the television. Adjective, digital. Sa translate niya po, ganun, sir, digital po, sir. Degree, singular and plural. Word, la television. Sa plural naman, sir, las televisioners. Spanish translation po, sir, sa singular, obtube la receta de los programas de cocina que via en mi televisor digital. Sa plural naman po, sir, sa Spanish translation po, la gente ve a chefs may video bloggers de cocina en televisores digitales. Sa English translation po, sir, sa singular, po, sir, I got the recipe from the cook shows I watch on my digital television. Sa plural naman po, sir, is the people watch chefs and cooking vloggers on digital televisions. So, number 3 po, sir. For the verb to be, verbo, sir, conjugate the verbo, sir, memorize, then cite example per person. In the conjugation, singular and plural, for example, tú eres hermosa, ellos son almos. Sa verbo, sir, Spanish, singular sentence, soy estudiante universitario by estudio Administration Hotelera. Eres la niña de mis ojos. Él es mi mejor amigo. Sa plural sentence naman niya po, sir, yung somos la próxima generación de gerentes de hostelería de futuro. Eras los mejores chefs, los que preparaban las mejores sopas Filipinas. Sa English translation, sir, sa singular sentence, I am a college student studying hospitality management. You are the apple of my eye. He is my best friend. Sa plural sentence po, sir, sa English translation, we are the next generation of hospitality managers in the future. They were the best chefs who cooks the best Filipino soups. Then number 4 po, sir. Sa number 4 po, sir, for the verb to be. Number 4 sa verbos estar Spanish, sir. Singular sentence. Ayer fui al mercado a comprar frutas, verduras, fresas. Sa plural sentence niya po, sir, is fomos al hotel a descansar disputes de fin de semana agotador. Sa pangalawa po, sir, algún día serás yun gran chef. Elas, sa plural sentence po, sir, elas se mudaron a la nueva ciudad el mes pasado. Sa singular sentence po, sir, ella es mi cuerda amiga. Sa English translation niya po, sir, ay singular sentence. I went to the market yesterday to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. You will be a great chef someday. She is my loving friend. Sa plural sentence po, sir, we went to the hotel to take a rest after a tiring weekend. They moved to the new city last month. Sa number 5 po, sir, yung verb po, sir, verb to be. So, yung singular niya po, sir, is sa English, I am. Sa Spanish, yo soy. Yung past niya po, sir, is I was. Ya habit ya terminado de comer el postre cuando llegó el plato principal. Sa English niya po, sir, I was already finishing eating the dessert before the main course arrived. Sa present niya po, sir, I am. Soy Adrian. Yo me encanta desayunar jamon con huevos. Sa English niya po, sir, English translation, I am Adrian and I love to eat ham and egg for breakfast. Sa future po, sir, I will be Yuhoy seryoso chef. Sa English translation po, sir, I will be your chef for today. And you are sa translation po, sir, English translation. And sa Spanish naman, sir, tú eres. You were sa past niya, sir, ayer dormiste muy bien. You were sa English translation, sir, you were having a good night sleep yesterday. Sa present tense niya po, sir, you are. Estás feliz y saludable. Sa English translation niya po, sir, you are happy and healthy. And sa future tense niya po, sir, you will be pronto llegarás to the city, no? You will, sa English translation niya po, sir, you will be arriving at your destination soon. So, ayun lang po, sir.